Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Doug Lane, Fast Lane Car Care here. On YouTube, there's about 10,000 videos of people plasti dipping different things on their vehicle, and I'm going to make it 10,001. I've got my 4Runner, and a lot of people plasti dip this little area right here on their vehicle. Now, a lot of people usually do it satin black or matte black, flat black, whatever you want to call it, which I think is cool, especially on the ones that have this chrome piece. I'm not really a big fan of chrome. What I'm going to do is a little bit different. As you can see, I have my logo here, and I got my plasti dip that's about as close as I can get it. I mean, maybe if I looked on Amazon, I might get a closer match, but I think that's pretty good as long as it dries the color that, you know, is on the lid. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do this entire strip or just the chrome pieces, the emblems themselves. I think that I'm just going to do the emblems themselves. I like the color match part. The cool thing about Plasti Dip is I could do the whole thing. If I don't like it, peel the other part off. Not a big deal. I think I'm just going to do the emblems though. Same way up front. I'm just going to do the Toyota emblem. Now, another thing people do, cover your vehicle with drop cloth. I got two. They were at the dollar store for $1. They're 9 feet by 12 feet, so I just went ahead and did the whole thing. Now, a lot of people also use masking tape. I don't like that because doing everything yourself, it's a pain to try to unroll the drop cloth as it is, and then to try to mask it and then, you know, move it. I'm going to use magnets. This is all metal. The sides are all metal. The nice thing is you can stick it on there, adjust your drop cloth if you need to, just lift up your magnets and readjust it, stick it back on there. You don't have to worry about adhesive residue on your paint. My vehicle is actually ceramic coated, and in the past I've had a tremendous problem with masking tape not sticking, so that's also another reason why I went with magnets. Plus, when you're done with masking tape, you throw it in the trash. When I'm done with my magnets, I can either save them for some other project on a vehicle or crafts, whatever. I have a 4-year-old, so we can make something cool with magnets, I guess. So I'm going to put you up on the tripod. I'm not going to waste time filming me spreading out the drop cloth because, let's face it, we've seen 1,000 videos of that being done. I'm not going to bore you with that. So I'm going to get it all spread out, and then I'll show you how I use the magnets, and then I'll get to spraying. Alright, we're back. I got it all wrapped up. You can see I got the magnets on there holding it down. Around here, I went ahead and taped it. I just cut a hole in the plastic and then just peeled it back, taped around here. Side note, I didn't really mention this earlier, but I washed my truck before I put this on here because you're going to be shifting this plastic around. You could definitely get some scratches depending on how dirty it is. I just went through the automatic wash to save time because this Plasti Dip says 30 minutes minimum between coats. And that pretty much means it's going to take me all night to get this done. So I wanted to get the truck washed. It's coated, so it's not really going to scratch anyway. And then here in the back, you can see I got the magnets pulling this tight. And then I left myself some room right around here so that when it's all done, I can peel this off while it's wet. And then once it dries, I can just peel away the extra. I also went around here with my all-purpose cleaner and wiped them all down, got down in the cracks and all that. Hopefully it's good enough. Should be. I don't see why not. But if it's not, I guess we'll find out. So I'm going to set you up on the tripod, get my Plasti Dip all shook up and ready to start laying down some coats. Alright, we got her all shook up. I'm getting ready to spray the first coat. I'm going to start at the top, work my way down. Now I'm going to go around to the front. I'm not going to move the tripod around 37 times. So basically you'll see me back here in about a half an hour. Alright, so here we are a few hours later, and I got her all taken care of, got it unmasked. As you can see, parts of it have started to lift, which is good. No overspray. Got through the plastic, which is also good. So basically it's probably sticky enough and set up enough now that I could probably remove it. I'm just going to go ahead and wait another 30-40 minutes. Now the thing is, the can says to let dry before you touch it or use it 4 hours per coat. Oh, I put 6 coats on there. So you do the math on that. It's a lot of hours of dry time. I'm not waiting that many hours. So like I said, I'm gonna wait about an hour or two and start peeling it off. But there you go. As you can see, just find a spot where it lifts and peel it away. Just like that. So like I said, I could probably do it all right now. I'm just going to let it set up a little while longer. I'm not really in a rush. So I will bring you back for the finished product. Alright, we're back. I got all of it peeled off of there. A little bit dusty. The car wash was not that great, but I think it came out pretty good. There's a couple little things I wish I could fix, like there's a little bit of Plasti Dip in this crease. There's not really any way to get it out. If I don't like it in a couple weeks, I'll just peel it off and do something else, or maybe leave it alone. I don't know. Thanks for watching.